Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use flash fill in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use flash fill in Excel? Well, maybe you have first and last names and want to combine them fast. So today I am going to show you how to use flash fill in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now we have the first name, last name, and we want to make the full name. Just type the first one and choose our table, and from data select flash fill and it will complete the work for you. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use flash fill in Excel, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use flash fill in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.